Okay, I've been asked by a lot of people to do how to fold these pedals easily. So I'm going to go over a real quick how to fold them up. And this is something I'm going to do just to make it easier. So what I'm going to do to make this easier is I have some of this Lock Dry Lube, the 3-in-1 brand. And this is just some spray I put on here. And basically you want to do is you want to spray it in this little area right here where your pedal is. And you push in on this pedal, you'll see it goes in like this, and you want to spray that little area right in here. And spray that area and then lubricate it real well. Then wipe off your excess oil. And I'll show you how to fold them real quick. So once you've oiled it up and lubed it up, all you have to do is take this area right here, you push in, and like I showed you before, you push in and then if it's lubed up real well, it's just going to flip right out like that. Real simple. And then flip it back. You just grab it with both thumbs there, pop it right back in. Again, you want to push in. You can go either way. You can go that way or that way. And then again, use your thumbs, pop out. As long as this is lubed up well, that should work out fine. When you first get these, they're really tight, so that's something that you want to make sure you put a little 3-in-1 oil on there. You can use WD-40, but that just displaces water, so it probably doesn't work as well as a lubricating oil. So that's about all I have on this video. I just wanted to show you how to do those pedals. Like I say again, and there they are. They're flipped up, ready to roll. Back out. That's all I got. Have anything, other questions, ask me in the comments, and we'll talk to you later.